Hi guys. Hi guys. You want some pie? Huh? Cheesecake and pie. There's some cake. There's some macaroni and cheese. Are you hungry? Turkey's eating macaroni and cheese. I'm getting sprayed with macaroni and cheese here. You guys are in fast speed. You're going so fast. You can't fly in the bowl. Look, here's pie stuff. You done flipped it over, you can't tell what it is. All right, is it gone? Here. That one looks like mud. The cake looks like mud. You guys like that macaroni and cheese? Hey now, quit being a turkey. You guys already got it clean. Clean the whole bowl. You clean the whole bowl. Oh baby. Go and clean the whole bowl. Yeah, I got it on my hand. Yeah. It's gone. Gonna eat the pie now? Here. Eat the pie. Uno. Hi, Uno. You know Uno? I know Uno. There he is. They're getting him a turkey. You gonna try that pie? You gonna try that pie? Huh? You don't need to say well. Are you gonna eat it? Told you, they will. Ooh, chase them around, Umino. Chase them around. Don't stomp on them. Uno. He chases them around, tries to stomp on them. I don't know if he's playing or not. I think so. Come here, Eliza. There, Eliza. There, Eliza. There's Eliza. Uno, you gonna try this? Or are you just gonna scare everybody around? You gonna chase everybody around? There's Belle. One of them there is Sonny. One of them two there. One of them eats out of my hand. There's Sonny. He eats at my hand. Oh no. There's Belle. You gonna try that? No, I'm gonna chase a turkey. I'm gonna chase a turkey. I'm gonna chase a turkey. Which one do I go at? Oh no, there's so many of them. Oh no, they want to eat. They want to eat. They want to eat some pie. See? They want to eat some pie. That's all I want to do, guys. I want to eat some pie. Let me have some pie, man. Hey, that's my thumb there, Sonny. Ow, Sonny. Ow. Hey, that's my finger. That's my finger. Sonny. There you know. Go chase them away, Dad. I gotta chase them away. They can't have no more pie. Round and round we go. Hey, you jumped on my arm there, buddy. About knocked me down. Here. Oh no. They're babies. What are you doing? Chase them around me. Chase them. Chase them. Oh! You ain't gonna let nobody have no more Uno. Huh? You want some? There, you want some? Sonny says, I'll get some. Well, the pie's all gone. They keep going after my fingers. And Uno keeps going after them. There, guys. Now quit biting my fingers. Oh. Oh no. There's too many to chase, ain't there? Yeah. Slipped in the snow there, Uno. And then you had a turkey fly into me. Hey. He's got to be the big bird. You got to be the big bird? Yeah, you got to be the big bird. Yeah. 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 Hey. Hey. Have you chased them around enough, Uno? No. No.